Hello, kindergartners. Today we're going to talk about some shapes again. We reviewed our shapes last week, and this week we're going to talk about them again and talk a little bit more about our 3D shapes. So we have two different types of shapes. We have flats and solids. All right, we're going to do our flats super fast because we've practiced those flats quite a bit. So let's say them 3 times. Ready and go. Triangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. Circle, circle, circle. Square, square, square. Hexagon, hexagon, hexagon. Nice work, kindergartners. Now those were our flats. Let's talk about our solids. All right. Last week we focused on the sphere. Say it 3 times. Sphere, sphere, sphere. And a sphere is like a ball, and it can roll. Whoa! My ball just fell on the floor. All right. So last week you showed me some spheres. I saw some great spheres. I saw some oranges. I saw a marble. I'm trying to think of what else. I got lots of different things. A golf ball. What else? I saw some great ones. So that's what I can think of right now. The other shape we focused on last week was a cylinder. What word? Good job. Let's say it 3 times. Cylinder, cylinder, cylinder. A cylinder has 2 faces, and they're both a circle. So circle, circle. And then the sides are smooth. And I saw some great examples of cylinders last week. I saw mugs. I saw cups. I saw a vase. Trying to think of what else we brought to our Zoom meetings last week. I saw lots of mugs and cups. Oh, somebody showed me a bottle for like medicine or food or something. I can't remember, but I think maybe it was Reagan. She showed me something for her goat, a bottle for her goat. So lots of cool cylinders last week. This week, let's talk about the cube. What shape? Cube. Cubes are really tricky to find at home. I have had a hard time finding cubes at home. But a cube is a shape that it's a solid, but it has squares on every side. So that means there's a square, equal sides. And then if you flip it, there's another square. And if you flip it, there's another square. And if you flip it, there's another square. And then both of the sides have squares too. It has 6 squares. All of the sides are equal. A square has edges. These are edges. And a square has corners. Yeah, not a square. Sorry, a cube. A square has corners too. But a cube has corners and edges, and all sides are equal. Mrs. Hoskin has some things in my house, kind of like this, like my tissue box and stuff, that looks kind of like a cube, but this shape is a rectangle. So this is actually called a rectangular prism. So that one's a little tricky because I'm looking for a cube. So your challenge this weekend, it's going to be hard. See if you can find a cube. What is it? A cube, and send a picture or a video to Mrs. Hoskin. Our other shape we're looking for this week is what if I turn it over like this? What if I pretend like I'm eating? A cone. A cone has 1 face as well. What shape is a cone's face? A circle, and then it comes up smoothly to a point. I have some cones at my house. I'm not going to tell you what they are because some of you might have them too, and I want you to find them. This week, I would like you to look for a cone. What shape? Cone. Or a cube. Those are our 2 challenges. These ones are going to be harder than the cylinder and the sphere. Those were kind of easy. Cone and cube are going to be trickier. If you can find any, take a picture or a video and send it to Mrs. Hoskin. Have a great day, kindergartners.